Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make honey garlic chicken. Guys, this is the easiest and super delicious recipe you can make at home in less than 15 minutes. If you're ready, let's get started. So in this recipe, we will need 2 chicken breasts, some salt and pepper, flour for coating, and the rest are the honey garlic sauce. Very simple ingredients. We will start by slice the chicken breast in half. So for 2 chicken breasts, we will get 4 pieces of sliced chicken. Then we will season the chicken breast on both sides with 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And next, we will mix the flour in a large bowl and starting to coat the chicken breast. Once we finish coating the chicken breast, we can start to pan fry. Heat the pan in medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon of butter. This is half of the butter we have. Once the butter melted, we will place the chicken in the pan. Let it fry for about 3 minutes until the chicken breast turn golden color. We will flip them to the other side. Now we can add another tablespoon of butter. And the minced garlic. Once you smell the aroma from the garlic, we can add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 5 tablespoons of honey, and now we just make sure all the chicken is covered with the honey garlic sauce, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And before serving, we will toss in the chopped green onion, and it's all done. There we have it. Oh, right now it smells so good. This 15 minutes dinner is very easy and super delicious. The chicken is very tender and juicy inside. I cannot believe this is actually homemade. Please give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments what you think about it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please subscribe for more easy and delicious recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.